Hello friends, welcome to Exalt Solutions. Friends, in previous video, we have seen this command from this modify toolbar. So if you have any query about that videos, please comment in comment section so I can give you a resolution. Okay, so friends, let's get started with our next video. Welcome back friends. In this video we're going to see these fillet, chamfer and these blend curves. Okay, so first of all I will show you the fillet command. So select this fillet command. Now you will notice that here is software asks us to select the first object and to select after selecting of this first object we can select second object, but now here you will show after selection of these two lines we can't do this fillet. So what happened, first of all after selecting of this fillet command you have to choose here radius of your fillet angle. You know fillet is used to give the angular line, means if we have any sharp edges, so we can give these edges we can convert this into a angular shape, so that we have to specify the radius of this line. Okay, so I will say I want the radius of 5 mm, hit up the enter. Now here I will show you, we select first angle and as we select second line our fillet of this 5 mm radius has been drawn here. So friend, likewise we can use this simple chamfer fillet command. Now I will show you how to use this polygon, this trim and this multiply command. Now here we have seen this radius, so by clicking this we can choose radius. Okay, now friends, here in previous we have chosen this 5 mm radius, so now it will continue to 5 mm radius. If we want to change our radius we can simply go to the radius, change our radius. I will say I want to 10 mm, hit up the enter. Now you will notice that difference here, chamfer of fillet of this 5 mm and this is of 10 mm has been created. Okay, now I will show you the next from this here, the trim and multiple. Okay, so friend, keep it in mind. Likewise this polygon command we have seen in the drawing section. Here we have to specify our radius each time if we want to vary our distance or measurements. Okay, so I will say I will choose this trim, but for before trim I will choose my radius. I will again go to radius to 5 mm. Now I will choose this trim. What trim is, the after selection of trim we will notice that after selecting of first line and second line our fillet will be drawn, but this part of this sharp edge is trimmed. So if we choose no trim, I will show you what is happening. Choose this edge is still remaining as the chamfer is going to happen upon this line. Okay, so now if you want to keep it these sharp edges as it is, we can keep it. If not, we can just go to fillet, just go to trim and select trim. Now you will notice that what is happening, just select first, just select second, the fillet of this 5 mm radius has been created. Now if we want to choose give the fillet to the multiple lines, we can't go to select first line, second line, then go to fillet, then again select. So we will choose this multiple command. What happened with the multiple command, just select this first line, select line, our fillet has been drawn. Just select first line, second line, fillet has been drawn. I will show also here in polygon, just select first line, second line, these fillet will be drawn here. So friend, likewise we can use this fillet command. Now I will show to use polygon command. Just select polyline. We have chosen radius as 5 mm, so choose polyline. If we have polyline like this and we want to give the fillet to this, just we have selected 2D polyline, we have to just select line and you will notice that these sharp edges got converted into this fillet. I will show you. You will notice that this difference here and here, how it look like and now how it looks like. Okay, so friends, likewise we can use this fillet command. Now I will show you how to use this chamfer. Okay, but for it we have to just minimize this. Okay, now we will see the chamfer. This is simply like this fillet command. We have to just give here dimension and this angle. Okay, nothing other than this fillet. So we have chosen this chamfer. Just select the distance. Here we have to choose the distance. Angle, we have seen how to use angle in fillet, so I will not show how to use this angle in this chamfer. Okay, now we have to specify distance. I will say I want distance of this from here to here. If I want to make chamfer this line from here sharp line to, I will say I want distance of 5 mm for this first line. Now for the second line, I will say I want also distance of 5 mm. I will say 5 mm and I will show you. Just select first line and select line. You will notice that from here this distance is 5 and this distance is 5. Okay, likewise we can use this command. Also we can use this to this polyline. Just select polyline, go to the polyline. Just going to the polyline, you will notice that we can chamfer our polyline. So likewise we can use this polyline command to this chamfer. Now I will see you. Just trim. This is simply like this fillet. This method, what is this? I will show you. Just select method and we have to just use distance or angle. I will say I want a distance. Now I will select first line and this select line. You will notice that also it can draw this line. Okay, now we will see this multiple also, just like fillet. Just select first line, second line, first line, second line, first line, second line. Our fillet has been drawn. So friends, likewise these are the simple command by which we can use this chamfer and fillet. Okay, so friends, now I will show you how to use these blend curves. Okay, for this we need two geometries. I will say this is my first geometry. This is my first line and I will draw another line. Okay, now I will choose the blend curve. Now here we have to choose the first object. I will say this is my first object, and as we go here you will notice that we have started drawing from here and from here, so it will draw a curve from the starting point of this line and starting point of this line. As we go here you will notice that as we go here end point, the from start point of first line to the second point of this and ending point of this line, the blend curve will be drawn here. Also we can choose this continuity. Just select tangent or smooth. I will say I want of smooth. Okay, select first object, select second object. You will notice that smoothly it covers all the object. So friends, likewise we can use these blend curves, chamfer and fillet. If you have any query, please comment in comment section.